Hello everyone, welcome to Kaotec Retouchers Plus 5. This is version 5.11.1 and I'm going to do a sky replacement today using QuickSwap Plus. So firstly, we'll go over to manipulation tools, then sky, and then click QuickSwap Plus. On first click, QuickSwap Plus will generate 7 masks, so we need to choose the best mask for this image. So I'm currently selected on Auto Mask 4, which is good for the leaves, but I don't have such a nice mask for the house. So let's look at our other masks where the house is covered. So this is the best one for the house. Okay, but it's not so good for the leaves because it's too dark and it will create massive fringing. But I do need this mask for the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Auto Mask 4, but I'm going to hold Control down or Command on a Mac and then click on Auto Mask 7. That will create a selection of the Auto Mask 7, but we're still going to use Auto Mask 4, but we just need that house mask like it is in Auto Mask 7. We just need the mask to be like that. So what we're going to do is Invert Selection now, Control or Command on a Mac and Shift and I to invert the selection. Now let's just choose a paintbrush and choose black color, resize the brush a bit and just paint with black onto the house. Try not to get over too much on the leaves. We just want this mask for the house. And just keep on painting the house in. Try not to touch too much on the leaves, so make your brush a nice small size, a decent size, and then just keep painting onto the white house. Okay, here's another one. You can let go of the mouse and click again to remove some more. Okay, so now let me just paint a bit more here. I'm not gonna worry too much about this because I'm going to fix it with the burn tool. So now the burn tool is on shadows and the exposure is 100%, so I can just now burn, and this will avoid most of the highlights. Now just resize the brush a bit bigger, get rid of the rest. I'm not gonna worry too much with these little things here. That's fine also. Okay, so now we've basically added the Auto Mask 7's house mask to our current mask, Auto Mask 4. So now basically the selection is good. Now we can click on QuickSwap Plus again and then just brush in. So now we have a better mask around the house. Now all that we need to do is just match the sky with the image that we have, because the sky is showing too much. So we'll just click onto the sky layer and bring up our levels, and then just play with the levels a bit, lighten it up, brighten it up until it looks natural, and then done. If you want to save this as a JPEG, you can flatten the image using snap flatten, or you can save this image as a MP4. Just go to window, open your timeline, and then just click the play button. Now on first click it will try to buffer, and then it will be smoother the more it plays. You can also make adjustments to the way that the clouds are moving. Click on the slider and drag it right to the end. Click on your move tool and then hold shift and then just drag the image higher to stretch it up a bit. Enter, and now click play, and you'll see a bit change in the sky. And to save your cinema graph, just go to C graph tools and then click render video, and then you should get a pop-up. Mine's loading a bit long. It's taking ages. Okay, so then you choose your quality. I leave mine on low quality, and your resolution, and you can put a name there and select where you want to save your video, and there you go. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Till next time, cheers.